Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the Voldic electric earwax removal. So is it legit or just another scam? So as you can see right here in their website, they're going to give you a lot of offers right off the bat. So I will already tell you this is another scam product and it's just another drop shipping item. So they just rebranded this item from this item as you can see, which you can get in Amazon for way cheaper unless you get it here in their website. So let's actually check the price. And as you can see right here, they sell it for $100. So apologies for the wrong currency, but it's around 98 bucks if I'm not mistaken, and that is a markup price basically from this. And they're advertising it as almost $300 as you, oh, there you go. So 269 and it's down to just $80 actually now. So you're getting a markup price from 69 to almost, let's just say right here, $80. So it'll even say free shipping and extended warranty, 90 days money back guarantee, where you won't actually be getting your money back if you try to return this because it's just another drop shipping item. So it's just the same product from this, and as you can see, it's just rebranded and it's just gonna be the same thing from this. So I suggest you don't buy it from their website right here, and I suggest you only buy it here in Amazon because it's basically the same thing. And there's videos supporting it, so it has good ratings right here in Amazon. So probably if you buy it from here in their website, you won't be even getting the actual item because sometimes they don't even fulfill the order and they just take your money. So I suggest you only buy it here in Amazon. It's just the same thing. So all you have to do is just search for electric earwax removal system. So this is a legit product, but the Voldic itself is not. So you just go to your Amazon and search it there. And there you go.